good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we got a couple tips to help evolve your beats, so let's get right into it. We're gonna play a little of this beat and then talk about it, so let's get it. Alright, so the first thing, the way that I brought the beat in, okay? So as you can see, the intro is just a fade in with the master volume, and then also it has a love filter on it. If we go to the master and go to the love filter, you can see it's just got a minimal cut off and no resonance. But I just mixed that in with the automation clip and then automated it so it starts big and then kind of drags out. And then while the volume is fading in, that adds a certain effect. Let's just hear it with the piano. Then it goes into it full, so you can hear that evolution. With the drums, it does the same thing. And when you're starting your beats, getting a combination of a love filter and the master fade in on the volume, you can get some interesting sauce there. And then let's talk about when it drops over here on bar 9. So the drums actually change. What I did was I just took the original drum pattern that I had, left clicked it over here, right clicked the top left of it, and just made it unique so I can edit it. So here's the pattern 3, the new pattern. You can see how it looks there. If we go back to pattern 2, you can see how it's a difference. The original pattern has the snares hitting way more often, and it has a hi-hat, but not as much, just something to add the bounce. Whereas pattern 3 has the hi-hat pretty much going throughout, and the snares only hitting on the 2 and the 4, as well as a different kick pattern. We also layered the snares with one more snare, a tambourine snare, to give it a different sound for the second drum pattern. So you can do stuff like that for your drops to really get evolution. And then you can switch back and forth as it goes on throughout the beat, and it really adds sauce. If we listen a little bit over here, it switches back to the original drum pattern. But while it's doing this, it's also getting automated to go into a slow triplet pattern with gross beat. So it gives it even more evolution and sauce. It's about how creative you can get with the arrangement. Doing certain stuff like this really can set your beats apart from others. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all.